Hello loves, good evening and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to show you and try on one black boots and knee-high boots from my sponsors. And I would like to thank everyone who built this outfit for today. Thank you so much to Mar, and thank you so much to Richard. Thank you all for helping me building this outfit for today. So to those who gave me a super thanks, also thank you so much everyone. And I'm sorry for my voice. I'm still a bit sick, but I'll try. So I won't make this long. Let's try on and have a look if this fits me good or not. So let's go. So there is it, the boots. Let's try it on if it's good or not. So here it is. So here you are. It's not that long. I think the heels is very low, and yeah, it's not that platform, but it's leather, so that's what is good about this. But it's not that high. I think the heels is about like 9 or 10 centimeter. So as you can see here, and here is inside. So let's see and have a look if this fit me good or not. So let's go. Uh-oh, I think it's too small. Yep, it's very small, and not so. Yeah, it's very small here. Very small, and it doesn't stand straight, so it's having a wrinkles. So as you can see, having wrinkles in here, so it's not so. So in my review, is not the boots is not really fits me good. It's very tight, and my ankle is having wrinkles on it, and this doesn't look really nice or good. What is it like? So here is it. So for these boots, it's really, actually with these boots, it's really very tight, and I cannot make it really up to my knees. It's actually until here, but because of the wrinkles and it's too small hole, then I doesn't really get straight. So here it is. So as you can see in my wrist, it's a lot of wrinkles. I can't make it straight because I have a little bit bigger legs upper. So I think need to change it or something. We'll see. And it's really fit into my feet. It's a little bit unrelaxed. It's really nice leather, but that's the only problem, that it's pretty tight and small. So here it is. So what do you think about this outfit for today? Please let me know to the comment below, and I will be glad to hear what you think about this. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I'll see you all in the next video. So don't forget to give me a like and subscribe.